Okay, I'm going to go on to the first one, which is by Mustafa. The question is, please, how can we avoid getting suspended for circumventing policy? My ad account was suspended for that. You need to look at the Google terms and policies. You must be running a campaign which goes against that, and that's why your account is getting suspended. I cannot answer that for you because I don't know what kind of ads you were running or what are the keywords. Some things are prohibited in Google which you cannot run, and if you are running those types of ads, then you will get shut down. So I'm sorry, I can't answer that. You will need to speak to Google about it. And if you find that you are not, breaking any rules and you are not violating any of their terms and policies, then you can put in a request for it to be reviewed, and they will review it. And if it's all well and good, they will restart your campaign. Is it possible to run both DSA and search ads in the same campaign? If yes, how long we have to continue with DSA? As you said, some of the benefits, like we will find new search terms, negative keywords. Can you please explain what more analysis can be done with the live DSA campaign? Okay, great question. I would keep them separate. Absolutely. Right. So first of all, you keep your DSA campaign and ads in a separate campaign, and you keep it running and see what's happening. If you are finding that it is spending a lot of your budget and you are not getting the results, then you reduce the bids. So you're telling Google, look, I'm willing to pay so much. If you want to give me the impression, give it to me, or if you can't, then you won't get any. So you keep on running these, and you are going to find a lot of new search terms which are being searched, on the new ones which are being searched on a new basis every day. About 15 to 20% are new search terms, and DSA ads or campaigns are great at finding those new terms which we don't know about. And you'll be the first one to see, you know what, people are searching for these types of keywords and search term queries. So you might as well start putting those in your search campaign, because that search campaign will be bidding a bit more aggressively than the DSA, and you are more likely to win the auction from that campaign. So I would say absolutely keep it separate and then let it run. And if you find that the DSA campaign is not performing as it should, then keep it live for finding new search terms. So how much does it take until we start getting revenue from Google AdSense? I don't get involved with Google AdSense a lot, but I believe they pay on a 30-day on a monthly basis. So that's when you start to get the revenue from Google AdSense. If in the beginning I do not get any revenue till the end of the month, will the amount from maximum budget will be charged at the end of the month? I'm not sure what your question is. Google will not charge you for anything because you are placing ads on your website. You are not running ads to it. So I'm really not sure what you are asking over here, but if you want to resend it across to me, then I'll be happy to have a look at it.